So this is day 2 of our shoot. My heart remains open. It's Saturday, it's 6:15 in the morning. I'm just going out now to go and meet the actress that's going to be taking part in today's shoot, Amita. So I've got to go across the other side of town. It's very dark out there. Let's see what happens. This is how dead it is in town at the moment. Everybody who has senses is in bed, asleep. Bus number 2 because we've got no budget for this film. Such is life. Such is life. About to embark on the third part of this little journey to get to Crosby Beach today. So I'm going to take a train from Bank Hall. I'm literally on the other side of the city. Pretty nice though, I have to say. Got to get a coffee now before Amita comes to meet me, and then we'll be off. So we had 7 shots planned out, as you can see from the storyboards here. I think we got pretty close to what I was looking for. We ended up doing 8 shots. I mean, once we were in the environment, you know, I realised that we needed like another sort of like wide shot. Absolutely fantastic. Amita Maguire, absolutely fantastic. Didn't complain once about being in the cold and the wind, and just very professional all round. You know, we did, our shots were on a quite quick turnaround. So yeah, thanks Amita, and hopefully there's going to be more projects for us both to work on in the near future. This is a shot of me and Amita. We're just going through some of the shots, some of the setups that we're going to do in the day. So look, if you like this video and you want to support independent filmmaking, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.